can frame a bungalow, build a patio. Just don't ask me today. I can fly an aeroplane, operate a crane. Just don't ask me to say I love you. I can climb the tallest tree, swim the deepest sea. Just don't ask me today. I'm as wise as Solomon, as strong as Samson. Just don't ask me to say I love you. Going over Niagara Falls poses no threat to me at all. I've got gumption, I've got gall, but saying I love you, saying I love you, saying I love you scares the hell out of me. I can row a boat canoe, know all about Kung Fu. Just don't ask me today. I could sing a lullaby so baby doesn't cry. Just don't ask me to say I love you. Demolition derbies are easy for me. The Alpine peaks is where I like to ski. I ain't afraid of sweet Italy. Saying I love you, 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 saying I love you scares the hell out of me.